Let's begin this video by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So x cannot be 0. X cannot be -1. Now we are going to take LCM for these brackets. So we can write our equation x plus 1 plus x over x whole square plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole square equal to 8. Or we can write 2x plus 1 over x whole square plus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1 whole square equal to 8. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say 2x plus 1 equal to u. So from this substitution, we can find x value will be equal to u minus 1 over 2. Now we have requirement of x plus 1 also. So we will add 1 to both sides and find x plus 1 value, which will be equal to u minus 1 over 2 plus 1. Value will be u plus 1 over 2. So we have x in terms of u, we have x plus 1 in terms of u, and we have 2x plus 1 equal to u substitution. Let's plug in all the values to our equation. We will write u over, which is 2x plus 1. X is u minus 1 over 2. We will write u minus 1 over 2 and then we will put whole square plus u over x plus 1 is u plus 1 over 2 whole square will be equal to 8. Now denominator is numerator. We can write our equation 2u over u minus 1 whole square plus 2u over u plus 1 whole square equal to 8. Now we will take 2 square common from LHS. So I can write 2 square is common. In bracket there will be u over u minus 1 whole square plus u over u plus 1 whole square equal to 8. Now we will divide our equation by 4 both sides. So let us divide both sides by 4. So 8 over 4 will be equal to 2. And 2 square is 4. So we will write here 1 only. Now our equation will become u over u minus 1 whole square plus u over u plus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we are going to use one algebraic formula which says p square plus q square will be equal to p plus q whole square minus 2 times pq. Let's say u over u minus 1 is p, u over u plus 1 is q. So we can write p plus q whole square, u over u minus 1 plus u over u plus 1 whole square. This is p plus q whole square in LHS minus 2 times p times q. P is u over u minus 1 and q is u over u plus 1. This must be equal to RHS 2. Now we have to simplify our LHS. Let me write our equation here, u over u minus 1 plus u over u plus 1 whole square minus 2 times u over u minus 1 times u over u plus 1 equal to 2. Now we'll be simplifying our LHS. So we can write here u square plus u square minus u in the numerator of the bracket, and denominator will be product of u minus 1 with u plus 1. Here we will use difference of two squares formula and write u square minus 1 with whole power 2 minus 2 times u will be equal to 2u square, and denominator will be u minus 1 times u plus 1. After using difference of squares identity, we'll write u square minus 1 equal to 2. Plus u and minus u will get over. We will write 2u square over u square minus 1 whole square minus 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to 2. Now we are going to use another substitution which is obvious. Let's say 2u square over u square minus 1. Suppose this is equal to a. So our equation will become a square minus a equal to 2. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get equation a square minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Remember, a is 2u square over u square minus 1. Let's solve this quadratic equation. We can use factorization method, and we can write here a plus 1 times a minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we'll be getting a equal to minus 1, a equal to 2 after using product 0 rule. Now a was our substitution, 2u square over u square minus 1. This was a equal to minus 1. Similarly, I will write 2u square over u square minus 1 equal to 2. Let's solve second equation first. We'll cross multiply terms. 2u square will be equal to 2 times u square minus 1 will be equal to 2u square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2u square from both the sides. We'll get 0 equal to minus 2, which is not true. That means no real solution will be here. No real solutions or no solutions are possible. We will reject this equation. Now we will cross multiply here. 2u square is equal to minus 1 times u square minus 1. 2u square will be equal to 1 minus u square. We'll take minus u square to LHS and write 3u square equal to 1. Or we'll be writing u square equal to 1 over 3. We can take a square root both sides to get the value of u. I will write here u square equal to 1 over 3. So u will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now u was our substitution 2x plus 1. So I can write here 2x plus 1 equal to plus minus 1 over square root of 3. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So we will get 2x equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 over square root of 3. Now we will divide our equation by 2 both sides. So I will write here divided by 2, and let's multiply here half. So 2 over 2 will get over. and we are going to get our real solutions. X will be equal to half times minus 1 plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we can multiply half in the bracket and we will write x equal to minus 1 over 2 plus minus 1 over 2 square root 3. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our rational equation written over here. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.